Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about how to connect an ammeter within a circuit and a little bit about ideal ammeters. In order to demonstrate that, we have a circuit. We have a 1.5 volt battery connected with a resistor and then connected with our ammeter. Here's a diagram to show that. Essentially, we have the ammeter connected in series with the resistor and the battery. It's important to note that while this battery is 1.5 volts, it's actually, when we measured it, was 1.4 volts. This could just be due to age. They're kept around for a long time. And so in order to sort of prove that you're supposed to connect the ammeter in series, we plug this into the equation that you guys should know. B equals IR. We have our 1.4 volt battery, the 100 ohms from the resistor, solved for a current and 0.014 amps, and we have that exact same value over here. And this essentially also shows the idea of ideal ammeter, which is a device that has zero resistance, so it didn't affect the voltage that was going through the circuit. And yeah, that's it.
Now we're going to be talking about the ideal voltmeter. So we have the voltmeter connected in parallel, as you can see from these circuit diagrams. So if you come over here and look at the actual circuit, and we have the voltmeter here set to measure volts or potential difference. So if we connect it across the resistor, then you can see on the voltmeter screen that it shows 1.47. And that would be this situation on top here where we're connecting it to measure the potential difference across the resistor. And that would be the same because the voltage drop has to equal the voltage drop in the battery, or the voltage gain in the battery, which is also 1.47 as shown here. And that would be the second situation where you have the voltmeter across the battery. And the important thing about ideal voltmeters is that they have to be connected in parallel, and this is so that you can measure the potential drop across an area in the circuit. And another important trait about voltmeters is that they have infinite resistance, so that all the current flows through the circuit, not through the voltmeters.